Okay, go ahead. Show me some dance moves.
Mommy, you have to put one foot up, one head down.
Okay.
I'm doing training.
Okay, now do some plies.
The training.
Can you do a plie?
How?
Okay. How about first position?
How did you first position?
Remember your heels touch?
Heels touch like this, Mommy? Heels touch?
Sure. Okay, how about an arabesque?
How do you do arabesque?
You tell me. You're the ballerina.
I don't know how to
Alright,
do.
we'll just do some steps you know how to do.
I know, Mama, I'm gonna do push-ups because it's my own belly. Now you have to. You have to do a plie. I know how to do. But this is second position.
Okay.
Your arms have to go like this. No.
What position is that?
What?
What position is that?
That's the arabesque. Away. Have to put one leg up. I need to hold on to a bar. Can I hold on to this bar?
Sure.
So you have to put your leg like this. And start and go. Okay. Now pump your leg over.
Can you point your toes for me? Show me how you point your toes.
You put your toes up like this.
And a bow and a curtsy. Go
Okay.
show me a bow and a curtsy over there. And a curtsy.